All right, here we go. So what we're doing here is we're gonna start rebuilding this and have some cleanup stuff to do here. But I've got my trusty handy dandy rebuild book, which I am going to read. Let me set up the lighting here so it's adequate. And let's see what chapter we're headed to. Well, we already got past chapter 3, which is the disassembly. I've had my heads rebuilt. Parts inspection and selection. I'm already done with that. All right, we've already done the machine shop part, so we can skip past that. Chapter 6, component and cleaning and preparation. All right, step-by-step component cleaning. Before getting started, make sure the area you'll be working in is cleaned up. The floor should be swept. All table surfaces should be wiped down, covered with plastic, with all of your cleaning supplies close at hand. Don some old clothes as well as some safety equipment. Set aside large amounts of time to do this. You won't want to take breaks and let contamination set in or be interrupted and forget what you were doing. You also want hand cleaning solution nearby to frequently wash up, preventing cross-contamination of parts. This will also help you get any harsh chemicals off your skin. With your block mounted on an engine stand, remove the main caps if you haven't done so already. Also remove any and all engine block plugs. All right, so we are going to flip this block around so we can remove the caps. And notice how nicely labeled they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and take this out. I thought we already did this one. Maybe not. All right, got the caps removed. All right. So with your block mounted on an engine stand, remove the main caps if you haven't done so already. Also remove any and all engine block plugs. Oil galley plugs in particular should not have been left in during machining. Begin inspecting all areas of the block for any and all contamination, too much debris, and you'll want to take the block back to the machine shop. This one looks pretty clean. Don't be unreasonable about what you can accomplish here. The removal of a significant amount of dirt or metal shavings requires special equipment. All right. So this now says, inspect all threaded holes in the block, especially main and head bolt holes. Don't assume your machine shop took care of this for you, even if you ask them to. Any significant leftover gunk needs to be cleaned out so that the bolts or studs can thread improperly. Factory head bolts utilize locking compound on their threads, and their holes normally have more than enough left over to create problems when time comes for new fastener installation. Chase any such hole with a clean out tap, being sure to use lubricant on threads. Threaded holes can also be brushed if the buildup is minor, but this still isn't effective as a cleanup tap. If you detect any thread damage elsewhere on the block, yada 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 yada. So what we need to do is clean all of these holes. So I've got an assortment of nylon brushes for this purpose. I think by now you sort of get the picture here that even though you get the engine block back from the machine shop, it could still be kind of dirty. Even it could pick up dirt even, on the way back from the machine shop. So, Mike did a great job cleaning this motor up, but, I'm just following the book, and the book says to make sure everything is cleaned well. So, I was very meticulous, probably went a little bit over the top in getting this all cleaned up. But you know what? I didn't want to leave any stone unturned. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you with a long period of demoing my cleaning. But I just wanted to dedicate this quick little video, this quick episode on this particular chapter in the book, which is dedicated to cleaning, and not just cleaning the block. This episode I focused on cleaning the block, but you also need to make sure all your parts are clean too. And the book suggested wiping everything down with mineral spirits. So that's what I've been using here to clean up the block and clean up all the other parts, is cleaning with mineral spirits. So anyway, that's about it. Just a quick episode on cleaning. The next episode will focus. The next episode will focus on getting into the real fun part, the pre-assembly stage. So be sure to join me next time for pre-assembly.